Okay, let me face this one. Yeah.
All right. We're outside of
Goldie Sound Productions.
Goldie Sound Productions. This is the top studio in Tallahassee, the biggest, the best. We're about to record. We're about to record something major. You know, that's what we do. I got my girl right here. You know,
Shariah.
the best of the best. We got Nate. We got Nate behind the camera.
Of course. You already know. This is your boy.
So yeah, this is Goldie Sound Productions. Let's take a look. Let's take a little tour. We got upstairs. This is where the bathroom is and stuff like that. But you could just come on this side. When we come inside, we got like state of the art. You know what I'm saying? Like we got this nice TV. GSP, Goldie Sound Productions. Yes, sir. We just got a nice area. You know. I know they go on the radio and shit like that, so they have an on-air button right there. You know? So they got like records right here. You know Motown. You know Motown. Motown's the best of the best, right? We got Marvin Gaye right here, Midnight Love. So we got the recording studio on this side, which we can't actually go to yet because we're not scheduled yet.
Right now they're in the session.
Exactly, right now they're in the session. So yeah. You come over here. We got a little popcorn maker, just in case you want some popcorn. You know.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. We got a lot of water to stay hydrated with, right? And yeah, this is Goldie Sound, right? This is the top studio in Tallahassee right here. Goldie Sound Productions. You know, we got the GSP, Goldie Sound Productions. Yeah. Nice. Show the viewers. Yes, sir.
That man almost stole my own show. Shoot.
Please add that in there.
I know, right? What's good, everybody? This is your boy Nate HD. Got my best friend over here, Shariah.
What's good, everybody?
We at GSP. This is
Goldie Sound Productions.
Goldie Sound Productions. Yes, you gotta correct me because you know I keep forgetting for some reason. But hey, I mean, they say this is like one of the greatest sound studios that you can record at, and I'm gonna see for myself how it is. She also made some songs with them as well, and so I'll put that in the description below for more. So hey, hope you enjoy this tour, and I will catch you on the flip. Peace.
You alright? Let's do it. How do you have it already? Let's make it happen. We got the best. We got the best of the best.
Oh, yeah.
AD, introduce yourself right quick.
Oh, my bad, man. I'm sitting over here.
You just prepping.
Hey, well, you know what I'm saying? What's up? This your boy AD, Goldie Sound Productions. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do it. Goldie Sound is the only sound, man.
That's what's up. Best of the best in Tallahassee, you heard? You know?
Yes, sir.
Not even Tallahassee, all of North Florida, man.
Let them know, man. Let them
Yeah.
know.
We're going to download this song right here, this beat right here. The first one. There you go.
His bass booming too. Dang.
So AD just won like some really, really big award. Like, you want to tell him about that? Like some.
Oh, yeah, man. So, got a friend out in LA, man. He does movies, things like that. He just created a hot movie out there called The Dummy. Did the soundtrack on it and won an award, man. They did the screening and awards and everything in Cleveland, Ohio. So just went up there a couple months ago. The company that put it together, they were so gracious to put us up on some billboards here, man, in town. So,
yeah.
You know, it's cool, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That, you know, AD stays winning. That's all he does. He just wins, you know. God love.
Trying, man. Just trying to work, man. That's all.
You ready for me? What's up? Hey, Nate. Let's take him to the recording.
All right.
I like that.
Welcome, Jalen.
So this is where we record at, you know. Got the super big booth, right? Got the lyrics on the iPhone, you know.
Of course. Gotta let them know what you're working with.
Yup. Yes, sir. Hey. Okay. Okay, look. We in Vegas for the night, so it's only right.
Mercedes S-Class with the flashing lights. She wants all of my attention like a magazine. I'ma capture her on camera, we gon' make a scene. She got it down for a young nigga. Hit the ass clap for a young nigga. Throw the ass back for a young nigga. Ass too fat for a young nigga. She got it down for a young nigga. Hit the ass clap for a young nigga. Throw the ass back for a young nigga. Ass too fat for a young nigga. Shorty want Birkin bags. Shorty want Prada bags. Shorty want Gucci bags. Shorty bought ties at back. Shorty got pretty feet and a white smile. Little girl drive me wild. Damn, I love her style. My cup runneth over. We pop bottles of champagne, okay, we're never sober. She looks sexy in them jeans, that shit from Fashion Nova. Black don't crack, I don't notice that she getting older. I just wanna hold her. We in Vegas for the night, so it's only right. Mercedes S-Class with the flashing lights. She wants all of my attention like a magazine. I'ma capture her on camera, we gon' make a scene. She got it down for you.